Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
In dialogue, Ali Sara. Topic getting dressed. Ali, good morning, Sara. Are you ready, Sara? Almost. I'm getting dressed now. Ali, what are you wearing today? Sara, I'm wearing jeans and a t-shirt. Ali, nice. I wear a uniform to work, Sara. Oh, so you get dressed quickly. Ali, yeah. I get dressed right after I take a shower. Sara, do you choose your clothes at night? Ali, sometimes, but mostly in the morning. Sara, I like to keep it simple and comfy.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.